Yo, what's up? Ricky Sanders here. If you live for fast cars, greasy hands, and solving problems under the hood, welcome to your new favourite spot. I'm all about real fixes, no BS, and showing you how to keep your ride running like a champ. So go ahead, smash that like button, hit subscribe, and let's make some noise in the garage. Enough talk. Let's get ready.
Mercedes-Benz SLR McLaren Brabus is the third passenger car engine in the world in terms of power. Mercedes has always been famous for its powertrains, as well as reliability. But, in this case, they have outdone themselves. Technical characteristics. Mercedes-Benz SLR McLaren Brabus received a modified M155 motor, possessing 1,600 horses, which will allow you to accelerate to 100 km/h in just 2 seconds. The difference from the standard version of the motor is that a new turbine is installed. The pistons have a lip for better oil removal. Mercedes-Benz SLR McLaren. Let's consider the main specifications of the M155 motor for the Mercedes-Benz SLR McLaren Brabus. 5 liters, 5,439 cubic centimeters, gasoline with supercharger design features. The motor was based on the well-known Mercedes M113 engine and inherited from its predecessor one camshaft in the block head and 4 valves per cylinder. The motor is supercharged. To fill the cylinders is used a mechanical roots compressor with 2 aluminum rotors, which were covered with Teflon to reduce power losses. General view of the Mercedes-Benz SLR McLaren. The compressor manufactured by Lysham turned out to be quite compact and actually fits between the heads. At a maximum rotor speed of 23,000 rpm, the compressor delivers 0.9 bar of overpressure. Thus, it manages to deliver 1850 kilograms of air per hour to the cylinders, of which a good third is provided by the compressor. The compressor has an individual drive belt and an electromagnetic drive clutch. The engine has a dry sump lubrication system, i.e., it is manufactured with a separately located oil reservoir. The capacity of the system is 11 liters of oil. A 5-stage oil pump is used to supply oil to the engine, and a 2-stage oil pump is used to pump oil from the crankcase back to the tank. This scheme is chosen for a reason. It is optimal for racing cars, as it eliminates oil starvation in the corners. Side view of the Mercedes-Benz SLR McLaren engine. The M155 engine is mated to a 5-speed automatic transmission 722.648. The Mercedes M155 engine is located inside the wheelbase of the vehicle, behind the front axle. All that is in front of the axle is the cooling system and air filter. Such layout of the engine compartment cannot be called successful, so, to replace the drive belt, at least, it is necessary to remove the front stabilizer, and to replace the spark plugs, the engine and exhaust manifolds. For replacement of spark plugs, ASRA gives 15 standard hours. The plugs, as well as on M113, 2 per cylinder. Mercedes-Benz SLR McLaren engine cooling of supercharged air, in 2 heat exchangers, area-water, one for a number of cylinders with an independent circulation system, independent from the engine cooling system. Radiators in front, a whole bunch, but since the frontal area of the front is small, and a lot is occupied by wheels, the area of the radiator cooling the engine is not too large. That's why the 850W exhaust fan enters the fight for effective cooling of the engine. Top view of the Mercedes-Benz SLR McLaren engine maintenance. The engine should be serviced every 10,000 kilometers. In case of intensive operation, it is recommended to change the lubricating fluid every 5,000 kilometers. During scheduled maintenance, filters and oil are changed. Mercedes-Benz SLR McLaren. Conclusion. Mercedes-Benz SLR McLaren Brabus with a modified M155 powertrain are considered one of the most powerful engines in the world. According to the world ranking, this engine takes the 3rd place in the category, the most powerful passenger car motor. The rating of the power unit is the 9th of June 10. In conclusion, The Mercedes-Benz SLR McLaren, enhanced by Brabus, showcases an impressive blend of power and precision. With its formidable engine characteristics, including a remarkable horsepower output and exceptional torque, this supercar delivers an exhilarating driving experience. The meticulous engineering and attention to detail by Brabus elevate the SLR McLaren to new heights, making it not just a vehicle, but a true masterpiece of automotive performance. Thank you for joining us as we explored the extraordinary features of this iconic car.